Good morning, everyone. We're having crepes for breakfast. What is a crepe, you ask? Well, a crepe is a delicate French pancake that's made from a batter of milk, eggs, and flour, which is unleavened, so it doesn't have any rising agents. In return, comes out as a paper-thin consistency. Crepes can be either savory or sweet. Let's get cooking. Okay, so we're going to take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. We're going to take 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to just give this a whisk around. Next, we're going to take our wet ingredients and get 2 eggs. We're going to take 1 cup of milk. You can use 2% or whole milk, it doesn't really matter. We're going to add some water in there, put some vanilla extract, and some melted butter. Now we're going to come over here to our trusted Ninja blender. Now you can whisk this by hand, but I like to use the blender because it helps get the lumps out and you get a lot more smoother consistency. We're going to pour the wet ingredients. We're just going to blend this for 10 seconds. Next, we're going to take the dry ingredients, add that in there, and we're going to blend this for another 30 seconds. So after you're done blending it, you're just gonna pour it in a container. It should be like a really smooth consistency. And we're gonna cover this and let this sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. And letting it sit in the refrigerator helps the flour to fully hydrate and to enhance the batter's flavor and texture. We're gonna take 2 to 3 tablespoons. And just swirl it around so it's extra thin. And let it cook 1 to 2 minutes per side. We're gonna take it and flip it. And just take that off. Okay, and here are your crepes. It's nice, perfect round circles. And you can also fill them, you can fold them, have them in triangles like that, or we can roll them all sorts of different ways. Maybe we'll take some of our filling, and you can fill your crepes and just have it on the edge of whatever filling you have, and you can take it, put it one side here, and put another side there, and voila, see, there's a rolled filled crepe. A little powdered sugar. And voila, there you go. And remember, you can use whatever fillings or toppings that you choose to use. There's different fruits, there's different dessert fillings that you can probably put it in, breakfast, eggs, and cheese, just a whole variety of things. All right, so if this video was at all helpful to you, go ahead and press that thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this crepes recipe. And don't forget to check out our latest video uploads.